You've probably already tried the big fixes for hair loss, new shampoos, serums, supplements, but your comb still fills up and that thin area in the mirror hasn't really changed. This video is not another miracle promise. It's a 7-day routine. Tiny, realistic changes to how you wash, style, eat, sleep, and treat your scalp. Changes you can actually do in real life. If you've been feeling stuck with your thinning hair, stay with me for all 7 days. Day 1, stop fighting the mirror, start seeing the truth. On day 1, I don't want you to fix anything. I just want you to finally see what's really happening without panic and without denial. Find a quiet moment with good light. Stand in front of a mirror, breathe slowly and gently, part your hair in a few places, down the middle, slightly to the left, slightly to the right. Look at your hairline, your crown, the sides. You're not looking for perfection, you're looking for information. If you feel comfortable, take a few photos just for yourself. Your hairline from the front, your part from above, the crown if someone can help. These are not before and after pictures for the internet. They are simply a private record of where you are starting. Then close your eyes and lightly run your fingers over your scalp. Notice any areas that feel tight, any spots that feel oddly tender or numb, any place where the skin doesn't move very well. Those zones often tell us where your scalp has been under the most stress. Your only job today is this: no more guessing in the dark, no more pretending it's all in your head, and no more catastrophizing. Just a calm, honest baseline. If you want one simple sentence to hold on to, let it be this: I'm not here to hate my hair, I'm here to understand it. That mindset alone can change how the next 6 days feel. Day 2, let go of harsh wash habits. Most people don't realize how aggressive their washing routine has become. Nails on the scalp, super hot water, rough scrubbing, piling hair on top of the head. All of that is normal in many bathrooms, but not friendly to thinning hair. Today we reset that. When you shower, choose warm, not steaming hot, water. Put a small amount of shampoo into your palms, rub your hands together, and then focus on the scalp, not on rubbing the lengths. Use the pads of your fingers, not your nails. Think of your scalp like delicate skin around your eyes. You wouldn't dig into it or claw at it. Move the skin in small, gentle circles. You're cleaning oil, sweat, and product buildup, not trying to scratch away a problem. Avoid twisting all your hair into a knot on top of your head. Let the foam slide down the lengths as you rinse. When you step out, don't rub the towel back and forth. Instead, place a towel or a soft t-shirt on your hair and press and squeeze the water out in sections. No wringing, no twisting. Today is about one big shift. I wash my hair to support it, not to punish it. It sounds simple, but if you've been rough for years, this alone can reduce breakage and fake shedding from mechanical damage. Day 3, build a hair-friendly plate without a diet. As a nutrition-focused hair specialist, I can tell you this: your follicles are tiny, but they're not stupid. They know when they're being underfed. We're not going on a diet today, we're just quietly upgrading the raw materials your body can send to your scalp. At breakfast, add one real source of protein to what you already eat. 1-2 eggs, a bowl of Greek yogurt, tofu, or beans if you're plant-based. Protein is the structure of your hair. Without enough, your body will prioritize muscles, organs, and healing, and hair gets what's left. Later in the day, add one nutrient-dense food that supports blood and tissues, a portion of cooked red meat, dark leafy greens with a squeeze of lemon, lentils, or beans. Drink water slowly throughout the day. Don't wait until you're very thirsty. Dehydration doesn't just dry your skin, it makes your whole system feel sluggish, including your scalp. You don't have to hit perfect macros. You don't have to track every bite. Just ask yourself at each meal, is there at least one thing here that my hair could use? That's enough for day 3. Day 4, fix the hidden tension, neck, jaw, scalp. You can use the best shampoo and eat the best foods. But if your neck, jaw, and scalp are always tight, your hair is living in a stressed neighborhood. Today we focus on releasing that tension in small, doable ways. Once or twice today, sit up straight with your feet on the floor. Roll your shoulders up, back, and down. Let your chest open a little. Gently tuck your chin as if making a small double chin to lengthen the back of your neck. Now place your fingertips on your scalp. both hands like you're wearing a loose helmet. Close your eyes. Take 3 slow breaths. On each exhale, soften your forehead, unclench your jaw, let the scalp skin loosen just a little. Then, using very light pressure, move the scalp skin in tiny circles. The goal is not a deep massage. The goal is to remind your muscles and connective tissue you don't have to stay clenched all day. You can repeat this for 1 minute each time, morning, afternoon, evening. It's small, but over weeks it changes how your scalp feels inside. Remember, your hair isn't growing from a separate universe. It's growing from a body that's often tired, tight, and on alert. Day 4 is your way of saying, I see that, and I'm helping. Day 5, repair your relationship with styling. Today, we look at how you treat your hair when you want it to look good, because this is where a lot of hidden damage happens. Ask yourself honestly, do I wear very tight ponytails or buns most days? Do I use harsh clips that pinch the same spot? Do I feel my scalp pulling when I turn my head? If yes, you're not doing anything wrong. You were doing what was convenient or fashionable. But now your job is to adjust those habits in a way that protects the hair you still have. Today, make these swaps. Trade tight elastics for soft scrunchies. Loosen your ponytail 1 or 2 notches. Rotate where you place your bun or clip. High one day, low the next. If you use heat, bring it down a level. Choose medium instead of max heat. Keep the dryer a bit farther from your scalp. Avoid straighteners or curling irons on days you don't really need them. You don't have to abandon styling. You just need to stop asking your hair to pay the highest price every day. A good guiding question is, if my hair were already thin and precious, would I still style it this way? If the answer is no, you've just learned something important. Day 6, build a kind evening ritual. Sleep, scalp, and mind. Nighttime can be either a recovery zone or another stress zone. Tonight, we turn it into recovery. Before bed, take 2 or 3 minutes for a simple ritual. Gently detangle your hair from ends to roots with a wide-tooth comb or your fingers. No rushing, no yanking. Arrange your hair in a loose, comfortable style, a low ponytail, a soft braid, or simply tucked over your pillow so you're not lying on it in a knot. Sit on the edge of your bed, place your hands lightly on your scalp, and take 3 slow breaths, in through your nose, out through your mouth. As you breathe out, you might say to yourself, today was not perfect, but I did at least one thing kind for my hair. If you struggle with overthinking at night, remind yourself scrolling and stressing won't grow your hair, but sleeping a little deeper, calming your nervous system, and letting your body repair, those things will always matter. You don't need a perfect sleep schedule, just a slightly gentler one than yesterday. Day 7, natural oils and grapefruit, adding support, not magic. Today, we talk about something many people are curious about, natural oils, especially grapefruit-based products like pomelo oil. First, let's be honest, no oil, grapefruit, rosemary, or anything else is a guaranteed cure for hair loss. Your hair is influenced by age, genetics, hormones, health, stress, and many other factors, but a good natural oil can still play a helpful role in your routine. Grapefruit or pomelo-based hair oils are often used to lightly condition the scalp, support a healthier scalp environment, make massage easier, your fingers glide instead of dragging, add a feeling of freshness and care that many people find motivating. If you want to try it, here's a calm, sensible way to start. Choose quality. Look for a natural, reputable product, ideally cold-pressed or well-formulated without harsh fragrances or heavy silicones. Patch test first. Put a tiny amount on a small area of your skin or scalp and wait 24 hours. If there's no itching, burning, or redness, you're more likely to tolerate it. Use a small amount, not a flood. Once or twice a week, place a few drops on your fingertips, then gently work it into the scalp in the areas that concern you most. Think light film, not soaking. Combine it with massage, not hope alone. The real benefit is often the regular, gentle scalp stimulation and the fact that you're finally paying attention to this area with patience. You're not buying a miracle, you're buying a tool, one more way to say to your scalp, I haven't given up on you, I'm taking care of you on purpose. If, over time, your hair feels a bit thicker at the roots, your scalp feels calmer, and you enjoy the ritual, then that oil is doing its job. If you've made it to this point, I want you to hear this clearly. You don't have to fix everything in 1 week. You don't have to do this perfectly. Your hair doesn't need a perfect person. It needs a consistent one. Every gentle wash, every better meal, every looser ponytail, every minute you spend calming your scalp, those are quiet votes for the future of your hair. You may not see a wow change in 7 days, but you are already changing the direction things are moving. If you want more calm, research-inspired routines for hair loss, sleep, and anxiety, you can follow this channel or subscribe so you don't miss the next video. Take it one day at a time. Be kind to your scalp and to yourself. I'm here with you on this journey.